Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Natty Fat Pattie's Patty Melt. All right, we got to make the sauce first. So, first thing you want to do is grab a quarter cup of mayo, about a teaspoon of pickle juice, about 2 tablespoons worth of ketchup, and then about a tablespoon of yellow mustard or Dijon, whichever you prefer. Of course, a little salt, a little bit of pepper. And then just mix this around. And, yeah, that's that. Put it in the fridge and leave it aside for at least an hour. Give the flavors a chance to blend. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, as you can see here, I've got quarter-pound patties on a grill over about medium-high heat. And then you just want to generously salt and pepper both sides. You can see I've got the seasoned side down already, seasoning the other side. And then you just want to close the lid. And these will take approximately about 3 to 4 minutes each side. But basically the golden rule is cook them until they are 160 internally. And through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. Now, ordinarily with quarter-pound patties, I normally just add 1 slice of good old American cheese. That's what I'm using. But in this one, I wanted them to be a bit cheesier, so I decided to double up the cheese, because can you ever really have too much cheese? Anyway, then just slam down the lid, give the burgers and the cheese a couple of minutes to melt together, and bring them on in the house. All right, as you can see here, I've got 2 pieces of sourdough that I've toasted up to a nice golden brown. And remember that burger sauce we made? Well, basically, you're going to want to spread that on both pieces of toast to start with. And then you want to have some shreddis, and that is iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is the best lettuce for burgers. There is no debate in this. And then you want to grab one of the patties. And then you want to grab some bacon, because bacon makes everything better. Add just a little bit more of that there sauce, because we want a saucy burger. And then you want to grab the second patty and put the other piece of bread on top. And that's really it. And then just want to give it a little old cut for the cross section. And boom. That is Natty's Fat Patty Patty Melt. Done.